My neighbors are chainsawing. It's 4 o'clock and it's pretty much dark out. But I'm working with what I got here. So welcome to my channel, DriveItRyan. In today's video, I'm going to take my naturally aspirated, pretty much stock power 1995 Miata, and I'm going to try and chase Mxrti around on the Lime Rock FCP Euro Proving Grounds course. So right off the bat, I want to thank Modified Machines for putting this event on. Go check out his website, modifiedmachines.com, and sign yourself up for a track day. Basically, this car has a full exhaust, Racing Beat header, Racing Beat catback, a Rev 9 power intake, the timing advance, and that's pretty much it for power. And Mxrti, you guys all know Mxrti from the slip angle, and you've seen him in my videos. But Mxrti's car is a 1994 Miata with a turbo kit by the Defensive Octopus. Sounds absolutely awesome, spools up quick. It can make around 280-ish wheel horsepower, but on this track day, he set it to 9 PSI. So I think it makes around 210 wheel horsepower. So we'll say his is 210 in this video, and mine's probably 110, 115 to the wheels. So big horsepower advantage, but our suspension setups are pretty similar. I have Feel 441 road race coilovers, and he has the Zeta coilovers, which are like top tier, best of the best. But basically, I'm just out here to have fun and work on my driving. You'll see in the end of the video I screwed up a little bit, but I'll leave it in. I don't give a crap. So basically, I just want to see if I can keep up with him and see how much difference horsepower makes on a short course. So let's get right to the video. All right, it's the end of the day at Lime Rock, and I have Mxrti in front of me in his Turbo Miata. I'm gonna see if I can keep up. I kind of highly doubt it. Matt's a really good driver, and his car is freaking quick. I'm just gonna do a little warm-up lap. like being in front.
Yeah.
Makes me nervous.
I know it does, right? There's like a lot of pressure.
Yeah, I'm like, fuck.
Power doesn't really do much for this track.
Nah.
Because you're right there. And I'm at the limit of my tires. We have the same tires. Power means shit at this track.
Yeah, your tires are shot too, right?
Yeah, they're shot. Mine are done.
Yeah. Dude, I love this thing. I can go forever.
It's awesome.
How much time do we have?
But if I get near the throttle or get like too sideways, and that thing is just fucking twitchy as all hell. And like the extra power doesn't help that.
Yeah.
Like you saw me, I was all.
You think it's more twitchy than this?
Yeah. Definitely.
Just because it has more power available, or?
I think so.
Yeah.
That's still fun, but it's just like it's a handful.
It's always such a good time on that course. If you haven't already, I mean, just go check out Lime Rock Park, Modified Machines. These track days are just the best. It's just good fun. Oh man, it's freaking leaves. So thank you all for watching. If you guys subscribe to the channel for the E90 M3, you're in luck because I have a bunch of parts coming in. Well, most of them are in. Mostly everything is in, except for tires and one other part. But I'm gonna be doing a build series on this car on the channel. And then I might get back to reviews, not really sure, but right now, the amount of money I'm spending on parts for these builds is not even close to what I'm bringing in on this channel. So something's gotta change, but it's always gonna be car related and it's always gonna be something fun. Maybe I'll do some cinematic stuff. I don't know. We'll see where this channel goes, but thank you all who have supported so far. I'm gonna keep plugging away at this channel and see where we could take it. See you in the next one. Peace.
And really, man, the focus is just leveling up. Cause I know the life I want, I'm just setting it up. Removing those that's close who try messing it up. Can't wait for champagne toast with the relevant bunch. Like, what's up? Yeah, like what you do, homie? What's your vision? How you thinking? How you move, homie?